Want a projector that's bright, portable and doesn't break the bank? Today we're reviewing the Epson CO-WO1, a WXGA projector with 3000 lumens that promises big screen performance for movies, gaming, presentations. So let's check out if it actually delivers. So I've basically had the Epson CO-WO1 for the entire December, and I've used it for presentations, home use, office use, and this projector sits in the affordable category but packs some surprising features from solid brightness to 3 LCD color tech. Here's what you need to know. So the CO-WO1 uses advanced 3 LCD technology with up to 3000 lumens of brightness, equally high white and color brightness, which means it is clear in moderately bright rooms, and it has a good color reproduction thanks to the 3 LCD. Now, in terms of the resolution, it's WXGA, meaning it's 1280 by 800, which is sharp for everyday content like movies, slideshows, and even sometimes some type of gaming. And you also get the ability of stretching the screen up to 378 inches if space allows for it. Now, on the connection side, this isn't a smart necessarily projector, but you do get an HDMI port that will allow you to connect things like your Fire Stick or your laptop, and it also has a USB port for playback or firmware updates. It's basic but plug and play with minimal fuss. In normal rooms with some ambient light, the CO-WO1 produces bright, usable images for movies and presentations, even without a projector screen. The projector has a built-in 5-watt speaker, and it's okay for basic audio.
Now it's time for the big men to roll these sleeves up. More. Another successful lineup for the Sharks, and they're rolling right towards the line.
But expect to use external sound for films. Some users report noticeable fan noise at high brightness modes, which is acceptable for this type of budget projector. And I mean, essentially, I've used this projector across the entire December, whether it was family events where we wanted to put out a movie for the kids or have some sort of outdoor event, and even things like sporting matches. So when the Sharks played the Bulls, unfortunately, I was actually at the match, but at home, they set up the projector and they had a whole bunch of viewing for everyone around so that they could watch the match while, everyone was braaiing and all those other things. So there's multiple different uses for this, not just in a corporate environment. You also get a whole lot of home use for this device. So coming to the pros and the cons with this device. Kicking off for the pros, like how we said, it's a bright 3000 lumen projector, which is perfect for everyday light. You also have solid colored accuracy. The third is the fact that it's portable and easy to use and set up. Fourth has to be the great value for price with this projector. In terms of the cons, number one is the fact that there's no HDR support or 4K resolution support. The second is the fact that you have basic ports on this projector, but at this price, it is expected. The third is you do have fan noise at high brightness points. And the fourth is there's no audio output port. So if you, say, for example, wanted to connect a external speaker to the projector. So this is a great all-rounder and casual projector for home cinemas, classrooms, work presentation. Just obviously the fact that don't expect flagship performance from this budget device. So when it comes down to it, how much does this device retail for? So currently it retails for roughly around 8,500 to 9,000 Rand, but you can pick it up on special from Hi-Fi Corporation, which is currently on special for 7,000 Rand at the moment. So close to 3,000 lumens, great color and versatility make the Epson CO-WO1 a strong choice under its price bracket. If you like this review, guys, make sure you leave a like rating and make sure you follow us to check out more types of reviews like this. Make sure you follow us on our socials to check out some of the other types of things that we've done with this projector. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating video. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Guys, thanks for watching. My name is Prashant and I will catch you in the next video.